folks, it's Cooking with the Jacobs. Today we are about to whip up some cabbage. I'm going to show you how it was shown to me growing up in Louisiana. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead on and I'm going to chop up this cabbage, break it off into pieces. And I'm going to add a little water in the pot, put it in the pot, and I'm going to let it boil. And when it get to a certain point, I'm going to drop my seasonings in there. I'm going to put some smoked sausage in there, and it should come out A1. So I'll be back to show you what's going down with the cabbage. Alright, what's going on, folks? I done got my cabbage chopped up. Went on and chopped it up, got all the good stuff up off of there. I got it going in my pot. It's going to cook down. I went on and put about a cup of water up in here, but I may end up having to drain some off because the cabbage will make its own water. Now I'm about to go and season it up with some Tony Satchery. I'm going to drop some oregano in there, some garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and I'm putting green onions, bell peppers, and onions in it. I'm about to go ahead and season it all up right now and drop it on the stove, and we're gonna let it roll. All right, folks, I'm back. I done went on, I done seasoned up. I dropped all my seasonings up in there. Got my cup of water in there, pretty much. I got it on a high fire. And we're going to let it boil. We're going to let it cook down. And then once it cooked down, I'm going to come back up in here and add some sausage and stuff to it. But this is the start-off process. So we'll be back when we get to the next point. Cooking with the Jacobs. All right, what up, folk? We back on this cabbage. It done cooked down. And as you can see, I just added some smoked ham hocks in it. I mean, you could put like smoked turkey necks, any type of good little smoked meat, because I like it to have a good little smoked flavor. I put some tassel up in there, and I'm gonna let it cook down some more. And I'm gonna check it, taste it, see if it's to the seasoning that I like it to be at. And the last thing I'm gonna add in there is the sausage. I have some more cabbage that I'm gonna add in here to add a little more flavor to it, but I had to cook this down first, and I'll be back when I get to that next stage. All right, what up, folks? We back checking on this cabbage. I went on, I added a little seasoning in it, and I put me some garlic up in there. And as you can tell, I got me some bacon. I had some cabbage from what we did on the barbecue pit that had apple smoked bacon in it. So I took it out the freezer, went on it and added it to it, and this is what it's coming out like. It's coming together. Cabbage does not take long to cook, and once it get it's pretty much to that certain point to where I'm about ready to add sausage in there, because you want it to be nice and soft, and this will be done. I'm gonna stir it up a little bit, and I'll come back when I add the sausage in it. All right, what's going on, folk? I'm back on the scene with this cabbage, and we're gonna add the sausage up in here. It's looking pretty good. And it's about done. So depending on how big of a cabbage you're making, depends on how much meat or sausage or whatever you want to put up in there. You can put as much sausage or smoked meat in there as you want. At the end, at the end of it, it's your option on how much you want to put in there. But we're gonna let these sausages cook. And I'll be back once the sausage is cooking to show you what the finished product look like. All right, what's up, folks? We back. I done took it off the stove, and this is the finished product right here. There's some good, nice, tasty cabbage. As I say, put some good smoked meat in there, Put you some sausage in there. Put some sausage in there last. And this meal does not take long to cook at all, depending on how much cabbage you're cooking. This was probably took about an hour from the start of putting it on the stove to finishing it. And this is that cabbage, man. Putting it down with the smoked sausage, ham hocks. Got some bacon up in that thing, and it's going down. And some Tony Satchery. Check it out. Love that cabbage. This is it. Yeah, that's it for you. All right. Cooking with the Jacobs. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And we'll be back with another meal.